Oh, shit! Hey, drop it! Drop it! Shots fired! Shots fired!
Shots fired. Okay, where you guys at?
71st and Jeffery. 31st and Jeffery.
Okay, we got shots fired at 71st and Jeffery.
Drop it! Drop it!
We got shots fired. We got the description.
10-1 squad.
And Jeffery, we got shots fired. What's the description?
I'm 75.
Unison 3 on Citywide. We got a 71 and Jeffery. We got shots fired. No additional information at this time. That's the further north of the station.
Shots fired! Shots fired!
Okay, we got shots fired. Okay, all available units. Can you head to the 10-1 at 71 and Jeffery? Do we have a description of the people that shoot? And all available units, keep the air clean. Just head over to 71 and Jeffery. We got shots fired. 71st place in Cyril. 71st place.
Drystone! I got Drystone!
3644, where you guys at?
Drystone!
71st place in Miro.
Cyril.
Okay, 71st place in Miro. We can get all available units in here. 71.
Hey, drop the fucking gun!
71st place in Cyril. 71st place in Cyril.
Drop it!
Description of the people that were shoot.
Squad, we got 1 to 10.
Okay. Alright, one.
Watch it.
Got it, one to 10.
Put him in cuffs right now.
Weapon recovery. No! Get the fuck back!
Alright, one weapon.
Get the fuck back!
21 out.
No, get the fuck back! Get back, bro! Get back! Get back!
Is he alright?
Yeah, get back!
Alright, just one. Can we get him a
Get back! You worried about the wrong shit!
Is he alright, bro?
Once we get here on
Get
state,
back!
let us know if we can slow it down.
You worried about the wrong shit! Get the fuck back! You fucking shoot at me, bitch!
Alright, then 364 boy, and Adam, where you guys at?
Hey, get the fuck back! Get back! Over there!
Okay,
Over there! 17384! Get
We
back!
got the best second one place in Cyril. Alright, and 364 boy, is this related to the person with a gun that you guys are already on?
Give me the other hand. Where'd you have the fucking hand?
Hand! Bro, give me your fucking hand, dude!
312, why are we in that?
Wait, no, you
Alright,
don't
312,
have
we rolling EMS, what we need EMS for?
No. Bags of weed. Over some weed, you did that shit, man.
312.
Gun,
3 clear. Hey, 312, what we need the ambulance for?
Take the side of this. Alright, hold on.
Alright, we got a person shot. 7-1, sir. 364. 364.
Get him up! Get the fuck up! Get the fuck up!
Custody 20 for 23 hours.
Chill.
Alright, we can...
Chill.
Alright, clear the cars out of the fire for the ambulance. We got a person shot.
Is anybody shot?
Unison 3 Citywide, we got a person shot. 71st place in Cyril. 71st place in Cyril. That's the person on 7 station clear.
Poor boy.
364 boy.
Weber is covered at 7130. Getting the streaming up right now. We got the guy.
Get the fuck up! Relax!
Alright, 7130, South Jeffery, weapon recovery 20 to 24 hours. And then go ahead with it.
312, we got a wagon.
Can we get the available wagon if you guys can head over to 71st place
We
in
need a
Cyril?
cage car!
0130.
Put him in the cage!
130, we're the wagon. We're going around.
Alright, 10-4, you guys keep the streets clear at 71st place in Cyril for the ambulance. Keep it clear. Alright, 364 boy, is the person in custody, is that the person that shot?
Poor boy. I know there's a time. We're going to have to put a crash home for the time being.
Oh shit!
Go!
Okay,
Wait, stop! Stop!
Hey, he's able to. Oh, hey, he's able to gun at us.
10-1, 10-1. Shots fired at police. Southbound on Cyril. From 71st. He has a gun in his hand. Get down! Get down! Get down! Get down! Get down! Get down! Shots fired by police. He's still running.
All available units, can you head to the 10-1 if anyone is there?
Get down! Let the gun go. Don't fucking move. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go.
71st place in Cyril.
Let the gun go.
Place in Cyril.
Let the gun go.
Dry stun, dry stun, dry stun. I got a dry stun. Dry stun, dry stun, dry stun. Dry stun.
Let the fucking gun go, bitch.
Dude, put the fucking gun down.
Hey, hit him in the face. Hit him in the face. Taser, taser.
Put the fucking gun down. Dude, you let that gun go off, you're gonna get shot. I'm telling you.
We got 1 to 10.
Put him in cuffs right now.
We still looking for another one. Alright, 1 weapon recovered, 22-21 out. We still looking for 1 more?
Negative, it was just one. I got the gun, I got the gun. All you got
Alright,
is
that's 1. Can we get a return?
What's up?
Give me your fucking hand.
Once we get
Give me your fucking hand.
and let us know if we can slow it down.
Fucking bitch ass motherfucker.
Man, what?
Give me your fucking hand. Give me your fucking hand, bitch. You wanna fucking shoot at me, bitch? Give me your fucking hand. Give me your fucking hand.
You got it? I got his hand right here.
Give me cuffs. Give me cuffs. Give me cuffs. Give me cuffs. Yeah.
Okay, 71st place in Cyril.
Hey, check his waist.
We got the next 7-1 place in Cyril.
Don't fucking move, motherfucker. You wanna shoot at me, you fucking pussy? Fuck you.
Alright, and bring this little boy in.
Give me the other hand. Give me the other hand.
Give me the other
hand. Give me the other hand. Where's the other fucking
Hand. Fucking hand, dude. Wait, no, we don't have it. We don't have it.
No. Bags of weed. Bags of weed. Over some weed, you did that shit, man? You fucking dumb motherfucker.
You fucking pussy. Fuck you.
Flip him so I can check him.
Alright, we got a person shot.
Shut the fuck up.
364.
Get him up. Get him up. Get him up. Get the fuck up.